Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm Honeybee. Today I will tell you something about myself. I belong to insect family. I'm very hardworking. I suck flowers extract to make honey. Human beings also take our honey. It gives them many benefits. But if children avoid me, I can bite them. My bite is very poisonous. So children never annoyed me. I have life cycle from egg, larva, pupa, adult bee. I develop like this. Bye friends. I hope you like my story. If you like the story, do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe.